Fixing the error that says can't start voice chat on your PlayStation console is easy, and I'll show you how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Before we start, we need to ensure that our controller is connected. We see the light, we know that's connected. Now, the next thing we want to do is we want to troubleshoot our internet connection. So we're going to go to settings, and in settings, we're going to go to network. Now, on the network, we want to go to settings again, and here we want to set up internet connection. Once we click on setting up internet connection, we click on our Wi-Fi, we click the option button, and once we press the option button, we can go to advanced settings. Now here we need to ensure that everything is correct here. If we're still facing this problem, then we need to go to Wi-Fi frequency band, and we choose 5 gigahertz or 2.4 gigahertz, whichever one our frequency is on. Once we fix the first one and we see it's working, or we leave it like that and we go to the next one and we choose. So it's always advisable to use a LAN connection for your gaming console so as not to have uninterrupted internet connection. But if you're still having it, then we can go to the Wi-Fi that we are connected on, and we can press the option button and go to advanced settings. And in advanced settings, we can go to the DNS settings and then make it manual. We change the primary DNS to 1.1.1.1. Now, sometimes this might not work, and you have to change it to another DNS settings. You can change it to 1.0. So we're going to clear that, and we're going to change it 1.0.0.1. Now, this should have it fixed. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're still having the problem, then I suggest you restart your console, and the problem should be fixed. Until next time, see ya.